The Eastpak Tranverz XX Small from Aspen of Hereford. This is the smallest of the four in the range, but nonetheless it is feature rich. On the front we have a zip pocket which is the full height of the front of the bag. On each side we have cinch straps, perfect for keeping your luggage secure. On top we have a padded grab handle, the TSA padlock, and an extending trolley handle. On the side we find another grab handle, and on the back we have two step guards and two inline skate wheels, and also two D feet on the bottom, which allowing the case to stand up. Twin zips lead to the main compartment, where we find ample space for a 1 to 3 day trip and a zip pocket in the lid. It measures 45 centimetres tall, 32 centimetres wide and 20 centimetres deep. It only weighs 2 kilograms empty and has a total of 25 litres of space available.